Welcome back to VanguardEstimating.com tutorials. Today we're going to work with client files. We're going to start here on our project information page. We're actually already in a new project. However, to open one, we're just going to go over here to the top right. We're going to hit the Add button, and that's going to automatically add a new project in the space just to the left of that Add button. You'll be able to add all your client information right in here, as well as the project information. If the project information has the same street address as the client information, you can just click this button right down here and it'll autofill that information for you. You can also add your TMS or block and lot information, as well as add your overhead and markup in this window here. You can go over to the right column and add some general project information such as heated square footage, total square footage, and the lot cells. On the far left, we have a plan column where you'll be able to add in a description of the plans you are currently using for this project. All this information will populate in your final estimate. If you drop back to the company information page, you'll be able to see we have a job list here, and we can manage some of our client information from here, whether we want to view a project or not, or we want to completely remove a project from our program. Once you've completed entering all your client information into the program, you are ready to begin an estimate. Join us in the next episode when we begin to work on an estimate in the worksheet. Thank you for using VanguardEstimating.com, where we aim to make estimation software that is simple, powerful, and affordable, giving you the data you need to create more accurate estimates and win more projects.